In recent years, there has been a significant shift in dietary preferences towards healthier alternatives to conventional ingredients. White flour, a staple in many kitchens, has faced scrutiny due to its refined nature and potential negative impact on health. As a result, individuals are increasingly seeking out nutritious substitutes that not only enhance the nutritional profile of their meals but also offer unique flavors and textures. Among these alternatives, spelt, rye, and amaranth flours stand out as super healthy options, each offering its own set of health benefits and culinary advantages. Number 3. Spelt flour. Spelt flour, derived from an ancient grain closely related to wheat, has gained popularity for its exceptional nutritional profile and versatility in baking. Unlike conventional white flour, which undergoes heavy processing, spelt flour retains more of its original nutrients, making it a wholesome choice for health-conscious individuals. Here are some key benefits of incorporating spelt flour into your diet. Nutrient density. Spelt flour is rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It contains higher levels of protein compared to wheat flour, making it a valuable source of plant-based protein for vegetarians and vegans. Digestibility. Some people find spelt flour easier to digest than wheat flour, thanks to its lower gluten content. While not suitable for those with celiac disease or severe gluten intolerance, spelt may be tolerated by individuals with mild gluten sensitivities. Unique flavor and texture. Spelt flour imparts a slightly sweet and nutty flavor to baked goods, adding depth to recipes such as bread, muffins, and pancakes. Its texture is often described as lighter and more tender than that of whole wheat flour, making it a favorite among home bakers. Number 2. Rye flour. Rye flour, another ancient grain with a distinctive flavor profile, offers a plethora of health benefits and culinary possibilities. Traditionally popular in European baking, rye flour is now gaining recognition worldwide for its nutritional value and unique taste. Here's why rye flour deserves a place in your pantry. Rich in fiber, rye flour is packed with dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. This promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and helps with weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. Low glycemic index. Foods made with rye flour tend to have a lower glycemic index compared to those made with white wheat flour. This means they cause a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Distinctive flavor profile. Rye flour has a robust, earthy flavor with subtle hints of sourness, courtesy of natural fermentation processes. This unique taste enhances the complexity of bread, crackers, and other baked goods, adding depth and character to your culinary creations. Number 1. Amaranth flour. Amaranth flour, derived from the seeds of the amaranth plant, is a gluten-free alternative prized for its exceptional nutritional content and versatility in cooking. Although relatively lesser known compared to other grains, amaranth flour offers a host of health benefits that make it worth exploring. Complete protein source. Amaranth flour is one of the few plant-based foods that provide a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids in balanced proportions. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake. Rich in micronutrients, amaranth flour is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. These nutrients play vital roles in supporting bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Gluten-free and hypoallergenic. As a gluten-free grain, amaranth flour is suitable for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Additionally, it is less likely to trigger allergic reactions compared to common allergens such as wheat, making it a safe choice for those with food allergies or intolerances. In conclusion, spelt, rye, and amaranth flours offer compelling alternatives to white flour, boasting superior nutritional profiles, distinct flavors, and versatile culinary applications. Whether you're aiming to increase fiber intake, explore new flavor profiles, or accommodate dietary restrictions, these super healthy alternatives have you covered. And make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. By incorporating spelt, rye, and amaranth flours into your cooking and baking endeavors, you can elevate the nutritional value of your meals while delighting your taste buds with a diverse range of wholesome and delicious creations.